So 1.3 billion views later, how much money did I actually make? Bruh. In this video, we're gonna go over my top 3 most viewed long form videos, my top 3 most viewed short form videos, which has a 96 million view video, my all-time revenue for 1.3 billion views, and then we're gonna talk about why I quit my channel. Let's first start with this video. 4.8 million views. It's my long form video, 8 minutes long, gaming content. I made $9,000 from this video, but I also got a $4,000 sponsor from this video. This video is my second most viewed long form video, 5.7 million views, $4,000. It's a pretty short video. This is also a long form video. It's my most viewed long form video, 4,456. So my highest revenue is on this, obviously because it's longer and I can have more ads in it. Now my third most viewed short form video has 82 million views. Top G, $100,000 Andrew Tate versus Geometry Dash challenge. I gained 134,000 subscribers and $4,000 on this short. Now this one has 86 million views, but I only made 2,900. And this one has 94.9 million views. Sorry, I said 96. That was a lie. 145,000 subscribers from this one video. I made 3,395. Now, how much did I make on this whole channel? Well, it was just about 157 grand. Not too bad. But why did I quit? Well, it's because I fucking didn't want to do gaming and I wanted to help entrepreneurs with a YouTube doobie-doobie-doo, so subscribe.
Yeah, on the thumbnails, you've been working with Kai and, Kai's good.